Hey guys, it's Canadian Girl 24, and now as you can see, I have some Playmobil figures I'm going to open with you guys, and actually I have more off to the side here. So I have Series 11, I have 3 Series 11 boys, 3 Series 11 girls, and 2 Scooby-Doo. So we're just going to open all of these right now. And then my scissors, and I think I'm going to start with a Series 11 boy figure. Okay. Now this. Oh, and I'm really sorry that my video was sideways last time. It's just the way it turned out when I was filming it. I really hope this one doesn't turn out like that. If it does, I'm really sorry. So here's the checklist. I'm just gonna look at before we're gonna have a look at the checklist before I show you the figure. You probably already just saw it. All right. I really hope this video isn't sideways this time. Okay, let's see. We have, some pretty cool config. I really hope I get that one. That one looks really awesome. That one looks awesome. They're like Captain. Ooh, that little night person. Ooh, that one looks pretty awesome too. Ooh, that's cool. So there's a lot of really cool ones in this. A lot of really nice figures in this set. So I hope I get at least some of the ones I just showed. I just hope for. So we're doing the checklist there right now. I might need that. And let's just see what we got here. Looks like, I think, yeah, it's this one. God, I hope this video isn't sideways. Okay, so it's this one. The guitar player. I'm just doing my checklist like right here so I know. Hopefully I know how to put these so I can put this together. So it looks like I actually know kind of how to put these together because I do have some of the Scooby-Doo ones already. I think this is supposed to go in here like this. I'm thinking. It's supposed to. Just there we go. Okay. And then I'm thinking, I'll put that down for a minute. It's supposed to, like, I guess put the arms in like this. And then this, connect this like this maybe, if it'll go in. There we go. And then I really hope I'm not supposed to put like any of this on, but I just realized he has 2. Why does he have 2 guitars? Huh. Weird. Anyway. Oh, I think that connects or something. Anyway, I gotta head on. Let's see. Snap that in and the hair. Hopefully this is gonna go on. Hopefully I can get it on all right. Uh-oh. God, let's have trouble with the hair. Hang on. All right, let me see. This hair will not go on. No, there we go. I got it. Okay, let's see. And then this is supposed to connect onto this somehow, I guess. How? This maybe supposed to like this. Maybe. There we go. And then this part. Oh, my mini camera. Sorry. This part. How? Like, I don't know. I'm just gonna. You know what? We're just gonna let him hold it like that for now. That's a pretty cool figure. You see, oops, not camera. See that? I really hope this video is not sideways. I'm gonna keep saying that too. That's a pretty cool figure. Okay. I'm just gonna hide that here. Let's see, next. I'm gonna open, I guess we'll do all the boys first. Next one. Oh boy, that looks, can you guys see that? It looks like a lot of pieces. Oh my goodness. I'll say. All right, so it looks like I got this one. I think. Maybe not, I don't know. There's a lot of pieces. Oh, just move that down. So, I don't, maybe it isn't. I don't, what's, oh no, it is. All right. That's why I had the piece. Okay, let's see. This goes in here. Oops, like this, I think. Yep. And then my kitty cat. I guess, I'm not sure. I just, like, maybe just put it down there and let it twist, push it up or something, maybe? I'm not sure how that will work. But we are going to figure that out together. Hello, everybody. We're just going to try to figure this out together. Okay, gosh. Just that piece. Yeah. It's a beard. Oh, this is supposed to like go over, I think, something like that maybe, and then, so this goes over, but also I gotta put the, yeah, it goes just like that. Yeah, also I gotta put the hands in first. I better be on camera. And that's if I put it the right way. There we go. I'll get it. Hope I'm showing you this name. Okay. Let's see. It's near like that, I think. For that combination, try to. Oops. First is not. Hopefully it'll go on. I hope. Looks like it went on all right. There we go. And then I think you're supposed to maybe put that on and then the head, I think. I'm not exactly sure about that, but it just seems like that would be the right thing to do. Head. How in the world would you put a, maybe you're supposed to connect it, I think. Like something like that. That was easy. And then his hair. My cat just lying down there watching. I wish I could show you guys, but I can't. Uh-oh. There we go. The hair. His helmet. Again, don't really not sure what I'm supposed to do with these. I think actually, maybe, I don't know. I think these are just supposed to go kind of on his hands, maybe, or just, okay. Maybe just like right here, somewhere, I don't know. There we go. And where's the other one? Baby, do you have it? Oh, no, in the bag. Oh, that was cool. This goes on here, I think. Not that way. This this way, I think. Maybe. Ah. Goodness. Where'd I go? Just chopped on the floor. You know what? I'll get that later. I'm just going to put his accessories in his hands for now. Okay, just one. I'm just going to put this one in his other hand. This is getting... I don't know. Okay, there we go. Okay. So there he is. I also comes with this, which I'm not going to put in right now. But yeah, there he is, like the night guy. It's pretty neat. So I'm going to put him over here. These over here. You can hear those noises. That is my cat. I swear to God, she makes all kinds of noises. They're not do too much by here, so I'm just going to put those there. Okay. We'll just put that here. Now we have one more boy one. Hopefully, it's not one of those. I really hope. Oh. Whoa. Okay. That got you. I'm not gonna put all those in there. Okay, let's see. So the legs. This part. We can show this on camera. There we go. Okay, okay. Down for a minute. My cat, she makes all those noises. It's here. And she just knocked over my figure. I think this is supposed to go like around his waist or something, so I don't know. I should probably maybe put that around here before I put his that maybe. I should wait. Oh, so I need to look at my checklist for just 1 minute. If I'm right, I don't know, does it go this way? I really don't think it matters, so I'm just gonna put it this way. And then, show me camera. Arm. Oops, other arm. Goodness. Then I need his head. Oh, sugar. I probably should just put my other hand like this. Okay. And I think you're supposed to put his head in. Try to anyway. Wait. No, shoot. I'm supposed to put... I just got mixed up. Okay, hang on. Playmobil. Okay. His arms. Yeah. Get the click. It clicked. We're good. Okay. Now put his head in. Like that. His hair. There. And his head. Let's see. There he is. I'm actually not going to fool me out putting all of these in here right now. It's just too much work, but there he is. Tim the Toolman Taylor. Just kidding. He does kind of look like him though anyway. So that's a pretty cool one. And that was the 3 boy ones. Just move that over to the side. Now. Whew. Goodness. Why do I have 3 boy ones and only 2 girl ones? I thought I had... Did I miss one or something? I don't know. I could have sworn I had 3. Just give me 1 second, guys. Yep. Alright. Just one. I left it in the bag. Okay. Okay. We're gonna move along to girls. Before I figure I kind of want a checklist, which I can't exactly. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna do it. What in the world is that? Oh, we're about to find out. Let's see. Huh, it's this girl, I think. Ooh, these are neat. I like the princess. Ooh, I really hope I get the witch. Ooh, and that one too is neat. Ooh, I want to see the guitar. There's a lot of neat ones in here. So, okay, my cat is a... Alright. I assume it's pretty much like, oh, there's like directions. That's weird. There's directions on the back of that. Is there directions on the back of the boys? Yeah. So, I put in this, we still gotta put this on here. And again, guys, I'm really sorry if this video turns out sideways again. I just really hope it doesn't. Alright. And then I'm guessing things. Is my cat leaving now? Here, hopefully I'll. Oh, looks like it. Alright, I think we're good. I had to turn this over so I can actually see that. Alright, let's see. Guess I'll put her head on. I love that sound. Like, it clicks together so well. And then her hair. Ooh, neat hat. This, there we go. How? What's this? Looks like some kind of a, oh, it goes on her head. Oops. Can I do this with her on her head? There we go. All right. These things look like they're supposed to go on her arms. Ah, there's one. 2. Okay. Uh-oh. Now, she holds this in the camera. Sorry. I'll get better at this after a while. So it goes in here. She holds that. How? Not exactly sure what you. I guess you're just supposed to like. You're supposed to lay that in there, I'm guessing. I don't know. So it looks like they're just showing it like on her shoulder, you know? That. So I'm just gonna keep it like that for now. That's neat. I like her. She like vegetables. It's like she kind of like works on a farm or something. She's neat. So we'll put that one over here. We're saving the best for last, which is Scooby-Doo. Second one, girls. Huh. Okay. And camera. Wow, it's a lot of pieces. Let's see. Looks like we got the snowboarder. Neat. Okay. if I put it the right way. Come on now, Canadian girl 24, put it the right way. Okay. Arms. In camera. It's actually not that hard to put together though. And then I guess her head maybe, or is this what's the, no, that's her goggles. Her head, her hair I'm guessing, yep. Her helmet. What's this? Ah, shoot, I was supposed to put that here. Ah. Yeah, all right. I'm supposed to put this like this, and then put her. That, okay. Now put her helmet back on. Supposed to be her gloves. Let's see. There we go, there's one. Two. And it shows her goggles are just like up here, but like that. They just kind of sit there. They don't really stay there very well. Let's see. I don't know what she can hold. I don't know. You know what? Maybe. There we go. She kind of like stands on it. Look at that. Now just like tilt her a little bit. There we go. How neat is that? That is so cool. I like that one a lot. We're just going to put that one there. And last girl figure. Hopefully it's somebody different. I think I just jinxed myself. Huh. What's this girl? Who is this? Ooh, it's one of the ones I wanted, which is this one. Cool. Pixie. Okay, so it's like this. This on here. Oops. Like that. Her arms. Wait. I think I'm supposed to put this maybe over it first so I can put her arms in. Yeah. All right. Anyway, okay, let's see. Can I like... There we go. Yep, we're good. And then I'm gonna get her head in there. Like that. All right. Cool. There we go. Now she's okay. And then her hair. What is this? Looks like a bow or something. Maybe it's supposed to go on her hair? Maybe. Like right back here. I just swing halfway across the table. Let's see. Okay, watch me struggle with this for 20 minutes. Come on. You know what? I'm just going to take her hair off for a second. Let's see. Goodness. I trapped it. Oh, got it. this was going to here, it'd be a lot easier to get on, you know? Where did it just go? I just flinged it again. There it is. Yeah, just watch me struggle with this. Ugh. I keep dropping it too. Seriously, how hard is it to just put this on? There we go. That's what it looks like when you get it on. About time. That is hard to get on there. And then put her hair back on. There. Okay. Okay. And her hat. Well, that's neat. And then she holds her like trophy thing. Kind of looks like a magician. There she is. She looks really neat. So we're trying to get that bow in her hair. Jinkies. There, she looks really neat. I'm just gonna put her right here. Now, on to, let's see. Scooby-Doo. I watched Scooby-Doo so much as a kid. I loved it. You guys already know I have a full set of these. Let's see. The ones I'm actually kind of hoping to get. Actually, can I get a checklist first? Where is it? That's not the checklist. Seriously, where is the checklist? I kind of peeked at who I got, and that's actually one of the ones I wanted to get. But anyway, let's see. Okay. Checklist. The ones that I'm hoping to get are, at least 2 bags, are Ghost Diver, aka Captain Cutler. And I actually would really like to get another, I already have 2 of them, but the Witch Doctor is just so awesome. I love his skull, his accessory there. I hope I get him. That would be awesome. So, yeah, we'll just see. This one I already know. Yeah, it's Captain Cutler, and it does have a lot of pieces. So, here we go. There's a sticker. This little thing which goes on here, which I will do right now. There we go. Let's see. Make sure I get it on straight. Alright. Good enough. And there he is. I know it says a Ghost Diver, but in the episode his name is actually Captain Cutler. Oops. Alright. Here we go. So, put this on here. Like this. Little arms go in here. Or it be his thing. Little arms go in here. Like this. Just down here. This goes in here, I think. But there we go. And then I think this is supposed to go like over here, like this or something, I think. I don't know if it's supposed to like strap in or anything, but this way. So we're putting his head in. Uh-oh, that's okay. Try to, whoop, push that down. Maybe I can actually put that get in there. There we go. Sometimes they're hard to push in. I'm gonna, yeah, you can drape that over. I need to, oh yeah, I forgot about his cute little hair base. All right, goes in here. So he has hair. This goes over like this. Oh shoot, it's not gonna fit over his hair. I take his hair off. Yeah. Ah. Totally just messed that up. Just like, no. Totally messed that up. Oh man. No. Ah, there we go. Okay, got his hair. There. Now I gotta reattach his hair. This. Okay, there we go. His hair is all reattached. And this goes over him like this, I think. This. Oh, that's cool. And then put his little arms on. Like that. Ooh, neat. And it's just, oh, it's like a flashlight. Cool, you see that? I guess you would. No, it just clicks in. Just put it in like that. And I'm just going to put it in his hand. Like that. Oops. And here's a little ghost card. It's going to go in his other hand. Like that. Oh, look at him. He's so cool. He's awesome. He's a little jiggly, but he's awesome. And there's this really neat sticker. He is so cool. So I'm going to put him over here. Yes, I know I already have him, but he's still really cool. Let's see if I get that witch. Whoops, sorry, I did not mean to hit the camera. I really have this sideways. Okay, let's see if I get the other one I wanted, which was the witch doctor, which was, okay, I'll show you. Which was this one. Oops, maybe if I get in the camera, this one. So wish me luck, guys. Let's see. Oh, we're going to put everything down. Okay. Let's see. I should have put this. Let's see. No way. Look at that. I got him. I swear I didn't feel these there or anything. That's awesome. Okay. I just have to get his pieces and wow. Oh, look at that. He has the stickers too. We'll slide it over here. Whew. Alright, let's see. First off, I'll put a sticker on his mask. Oops. There we go. Look at that. Neat. Oopsies. How neat is that? Then, where'd the other one go? He's supposed to have his, oh, it's not the wrong thing. Let's see. Peel. Can I peel you off, please? Thank you. Put you on here. There. And witch doctor. Okay. Since we got the stickers on, let's work on putting him together. Again, goes in here. That. Arms. Thank you very much. All right. Do you see that? I have like two of these ones, which is weird. Anyway. Put this on here, I think. Makes sense. And then I'm going to put him. There we go. That shows this on here. This little piece. I just had it right over here. This little piece on here. Oh, cool. You just snap this in. Just snap. There we go. Okay. This hair. As I fling it. What team the told me in TR. Oh, seriously. There we go. All right. Little mask. This. Cool. And, oh no. Watch me struggle with these for 10 minutes. All right. I'm just going to kind of leave it on the table this way. Probably should have done that before I put the rest of him on. Okay, let me see. Okay, there's one. What did you want to give them one? What? That's kind of strange. Anyway, this goes up here. Maybe he only came out one of those little things for his foot. That is just weird. And I don't think there's any in the bag. I didn't miss anything in the bag. Nope. Okay. And then what's really cool is this skull. Look at that. It glows in the dark. It's really cool. It goes on there like that. Whew. And he's gonna hold this. Just like this. Hopefully. Oops. I really hope you guys leave a comment on these videos because I really want to do some more of these. And there he is, the witch doctor. How cool is he? Except you only got one of those little things for his feet. How cool is he? Now, that's everything. I open up everything. All right, I'm just gonna move these extra stuff out of the way for now because I'm gonna try to sit like this. Oops. I'm gonna turn a little bit. I'm gonna try to set these up so you guys can see everything I got. Move the witch doctor over a little bit more, just like that. All right. Right here. Oops, goggles. And perfect. You can kind of, all right. And that's everyone I got for this video. Gosh, Playmobil are definitely quite a bit harder to put together than Lego. Oh, there's the Tinto and Taylor's thing. But yeah, that was it for this video. Actually, I'm going to show you guys something else real quick if I can get up. No, it's not my cat. It is what I'm going to show you guys tomorrow. It is, I'm just going to put it right here. Well, it's kind of close. I'm going to move these out of the way for now. I'm going to show you. There we go. I have this Ghostbusters 2 set with, well, just has Spangler in it. And that little thing. I got this at the Dollarama for $4. And I'm going to unbox this for you tomorrow and put it together. And I also have Ray stands that I'm going to unbox and put together for you tomorrow. And then the bed. Is it the bed I picked? Or did I do it in my room? I think I'll in my room, guys. But I'll show you tomorrow anyway. I also have, actually it shows you up top, I also do have Vinkman, but he's in my room. I already took him as a package and I couldn't wait. But yeah, he's in my room. The only one that my dollar store did not have was Zeddemore, which is kind of upsetting. But anyway, yeah, so that was it for this video. Just put these back here. And yeah, please rate, comment if you want me to do more of these, and subscribe. And I really hope this video is not sideways. Bye.